Epsom salt is actually magnesium sulfate, helps seeds germinate, makes plants grow bushier, produces more flowers, increases chlorophyll production and deters pests, such as slugs and voles. It also provides vital nutrients to supplement your regular fertilizer. Epsom salt is recommended by master gardeners and used regularly by commercial growers around the world. Tests by the National Gardening Association confirm that roses fertilized with Epsom salt grow bushier and produce more flowers, and it also makes pepper plants grow larger than those treated only with commercial fertilizer. Here are 6 tips for using Epsom salt in the garden. Houseplants. 2 tablespoons per gallon of water, feed plants monthly. Roses. 1 tablespoon per foot of plant height per plant, apply every 2 weeks. Also, scratch 1/2 cup into the soil at the base to encourage flowering canes and healthy new basal cane growth. Soak unplanted bushes in 1 cup of Epsom salt per gallon of water to help roots recover. Add a tablespoon of Epsom salt to each hole at planting time. Shrubs, evergreens, azaleas, rhododendron. 1 tablespoon per 9 square feet. Apply over root zone every 2 to 4 weeks. Lawns. Apply 3 pounds for every 1,250 square feet with a spreader, or dilute in water and apply with a sprayer. Trees. Apply 2 tablespoons per 9 square feet. Apply over the root zone 3 times annually. Garden startup. Sprinkle 1 cup per 100 square feet. Mix into soil before planting. Thank you for watching. Your Healthline Matters. Be sure to subscribe to Healthline Matters so you do not miss any of our weekly video tips and secrets to improve your health, fitness, and lifestyle.